Okay, so flipping models. The case study will be this foot mold from Artec 3D scan database. As we can see, this is for the left foot. So let's take a look at how we can obtain the other foot quite easily. I will start with Blender. So within Blender, the easiest solution is to change the scaling. So I will copy this, Alt D to duplicate. Afterwards I will press X in order to have it constrained on the X-axis, and with the second model still selected, I will go for the scale and I will set the value to be -1. And as we can see, we have defined that mirrored foot mold. So this is for Blender. Let's go forward. I will jump within 3ds Max. Again, I have the same model. So this was loaded as an STL file, and the file can be accessed over here. We see free download and the STL file. For 3ds Max, we can either copy the model. So if I will hold down Shift while I'm with the translation tool, I am able to create a copy. And with the clone selected, I can either apply a modifier. So over here on the modify list, if I will type in mirror from mirror, I will see that I will obtain the mirror modifier. So this does the same just as changing the scale. But if you want to use the same method, just like within Blender, I will copy the foot once again. I will go for copy, and for the second model I will go on the scaling tool. I will go to the second option, so select a non-uniform scale, and for the X-axis we see that this is a difference from 3ds Max to Blender. Over here we have a percent, so 100%. We will need to add a minus in front of that. And as soon as I will press tab in order to have that updated, we're gonna see that we have that model mirrored. So that is for 3ds Max. Another software that uses the same functionality, a software that I use quite a lot, is Keyshot. So I have the same model loaded over here. I will create a duplicate by selecting the model. Afterwards, we have the possibility to do a duplicate. I will move the object to the right, and for the scaling for the X, I will add a minus. So this uses the same principle just as within Blender. Okay, so I hope you find this kind of content useful. I will create section for Blender, 3ds Max and Keyshot for this video, and I will try to create more tips and tricks for various 3D software. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.